markets are really continuing to put in some major moves, and we're seeing this all over the park on the Dow, the DAX, the major indices there, and when they're not limit up or limit down, which is happening pretty much on a daily basis right now, when the markets are open, when they're moving, they're continuing to pick up some fantastic trading opportunities. In our live trading rooms, we're taking full advantage of that. And the live trading rooms is where our clients, our students, are logging in and they're trading with our market professionals. So we're trading, we're calling trades, we're discussing trades, we're analysing the markets, using the strategies that we teach as part of our Dynamic Trader training programs, and attendees or students are logging on, they're watching, they're interacting, they're asking questions and so on. And what I wanted to do right now is just talk about a trade from last night's sessions. That was Tuesday evening, great move actually. Overall for the session, up 285 points, so that was the recorded result for the session. So out of trades called by James, the presenter, he made a profit of 285 points from the trades called, and these are the results from the people attending those sessions. So more than one trade called last night, but you can see the results on screen. What we're talking about, and the feedback on the screen here is coming at just before the close. Remember, it's closing at about just before about 8 o'clock at night, because we're out of sync with the US for daylight savings. Normally it'd be 9 o'clock, wouldn't it? So just coming into the close, that was the close just a little bit later on there, but a nice buy here on the close of this candlestick here. Why was that a buy trade? Well, there's a number of reasons for it. When we talk about Dynamic Trader, the reasons are simple. It is momentum. We are driving in line with the momentum of the market. And what we're looking at in this example here is we've got this arrow pointing higher. We need to be in the top section of this price channel, okay? And we've got the green lines here. We've got the uptrend as well. So this line orange turning back to blue again, suggesting an uptrend too. So on the close of this bar, this is when everything's moving back in that longer term trend direction. So from a buy from around about 21,000, and you can see very quickly the market moving up to 21,200 in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minutes time there. So some fantastic trading opportunities if you know what you're looking for. And of course, in our live trading rooms, our professionals are exactly that. They do know what they're looking for, and so people are following those trades. They're able to do them anyway by using the indicators on their home device, and through our coaching programs, through continued access to our live trading rooms, they of course pick up the strategies, how to trade them more effectively. Here, these are the results from people in that session last night. So it took 230, took 250. I'm out with a nice 193 to end the day. That's a good finish for the day, isn't it? Out 186, 160, 215. This chap Mark here, he's only just joined the Dynamic Trader training program, as you can see later on. Thanks, first workshop, very exciting. See you soon. And in his first workshop, he made 215 points trading the Dow last night. So when you talk about day trading, you talk about these strategies, a lot of people think, well, it looks a bit more complicated. Not when you've got the support in place, okay? Gareth here making 430 pips on the day. That is a significant pip tally. 136, 263, 43, 178, 403 for Graham here, 50, 239, and so on. So these are people, students that are out there doing it. They're following the strategies we've taught in our Dynamic Trader training programs. They're applying them in the real markets, and they're getting the support alongside them with our 8 2-hour live trading workshops every week, where they can log in live, interact live with trading professionals to get the support that they need. Guys, if you'd like to know more about the Dynamic Trader training program and look to get on some of the trades that are like this, now is the time, because the opportunity is there, because the volatility is there right now. Give us a call. That's UK 0044 1234 757 553 or 01234 757 553. All the best, everybody, and we hopefully catch you again soon. Bye-bye for now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.